Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for joining me today. So last time I checked, this eyeshadow palette was winning in the polls. It was between Sigma Enchanted and the Jackie palette by ABH. So I thought I would do some quick swatches with this and we could see how it performs on the arms and get an overall opinion on it and first impressions. I will be using the Colourpop High Tides palette. I'm not too sure whether I've done close-up swatches with the High Tides, but the box, the outer carton mirrors this packaging here, and it is so pretty. And then we've got this nice little slip here which I'm trying to save because it is absolutely beautiful. And then this is what the palette looks like. So pretty. I'm really glad I got it. I got this for 20% off, I believe. So let's go in. We're gonna just go from left to right as always. So in the palette you're getting 14 eyeshadows. So it looks like we're starting off with matte shades. So the first shade is called Quartz, and it's a nice like cream ivory bone shade. Really pretty. Ooh, it's really pigmented as well, which I've done on the wrong side. Should be doing it here. Right, you're probably not going to be able to see it, but that's it there. So that's Quartz. Then we're going in with Sunburst, which is a shimmer. Well, that's quite pigmented. Bit chunky, I would say, but it blends out really nice. That'd make a nice inner corner. Like, it's a gold champagne colour. And then we've got another shimmer called Budding. It looks like a rose gold one. Ooh, look at that, guys. When I've got a bit more time, I'm going to have to compare some of these shades to the rosy palette I've got, because I'm getting that kind of vibe. Gorgeous though. Then we've got another matte. That one's called Innocent, which is a gorgeous dusty pink. Going twice with that one. I've got to admit though, the formula on this palette is really nice. Not getting too much fallout on the shadows. Then we have the Metamorphosis shade, and I believe this is like a transformative shade. You can put it over any shade and it just brings a bit of life to any shade. It's not very, it's very sheer. So that's Metamorphosis. Then we have another matte called Loam. So that's Loam. Then we have another matte called Terra, as in like terracotta. Beautiful rich brown red. Then we have Electrum. I've got a feeling this is going to be one of my favourites. OMG, look at how reflective that is. Oh my gosh, let's get another swatch on that. Look at that, guys. Then we've got another shimmer called Moonglade, which is quite a cool tone. I could say pink lavender shade. Not the best at describing, but yeah, I would say that describes it. So that's that one. Then we've got another shimmer called Plume, which is a slightly deeper, rosier tone to this one here, and that one again was called Budding. So that one is called Plume. Then we've got Cosmos. Ooh, that's pretty and so unique to my collection. It's like a grey green. So that's that one there. Let me know if you got this palette and what your thoughts are on it. Then we've got the rest of the eyeshadows in the palette, which are three more. The rest of the 3 eyeshadows in the palette are matte. So we've got Claystone, which is a deep chocolate brown. Nice for the outer V. So that is Claystone. Then we've got Evergreen. Really nice deep green. So that is the deep green, and then we've got a black. It looks like a really good black as well. Oh my gosh, that is the blackest of blacks. Now I don't normally wear black eyeshadow, but that is a really good black. Looks like it's gone on a bit patchy, but that's probably my dry skin. As I always say this when I'm doing these swatch videos, but as you get like from, I'd say from there to there, it's quite dry. But anyway, they are the swatches from the Sigma Enchanted palette. Absolutely beautiful. I can't actually wait to use this. Thank you so much for voting for this palette next. So that looks like that. Again, that's the front of the palette. It's just a beauty. I'm really glad I got it, and can now see why Kelly Gooch absolutely loves this palette. I think she loves Sigma palettes in general. I think she got quite a few. I think she got the hazy and the rosy, and I think she only kept the rosy one, and she's kept this. So, you know, it kind of speaks volumes. I feel like I have got similar taste to what Kelly likes, you know, so I just had to buy this. And then I saw somebody else kind of haul it on Instagram, and I'm just thinking, yeah, it's 20% off, and probably, yeah, probably would have got it a little bit cheaper. So this palette sold out when I wanted it in the beginning, so yeah, I just thought, get it now while you can. So yeah, we're going to be using that probably next week. I need to check if I've done swatches for that Colourpop High Tides palette, because if I haven't, then that needs to go on the channel. I don't think I have for the duo of eyeshadows, but I can't remember. I did get it a long time ago. So guys, this concludes the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.